Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy bears with 2 ingredients. Use 1 tablespoon gelatin per 1 cup juice, dissolve gelatin in a small amount of warm water, then whisk it into chilled juice to avoid clumps. Pour the mixture into small molds and chill until set. Tap molds gently to release gummies and store them in an airtight container for up to 1 week. Start by blooming gelatin in a few tablespoons of warm water until it thickens slightly, then warm your juice to help the gelatin dissolve fully. Whisk the dissolved gelatin into the juice until smooth and uniform, making sure there are no lumps. Carefully fill silicone molds with a dropper or small spoon, working quickly as the mixture begins to set. Chill the filled molds until the gummies are firm before removing them. If you prefer firmer gummies, increase gelatin to 1.5 tablespoons per cup of juice and test for texture. For flavor lift, add a few drops of lemon juice or natural extracts like vanilla or mint. Avoid boiling, which weakens flavor. Sweeten lightly with honey or maple syrup if your juice is tart, and experiment with layered flavors by pouring in stages. Always cool.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.